Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna apologize already for my title beaches. They sound like crap. I know. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to put a ringtone on your LG Rumour 2. This won't work with Sprint because this requires you to use your USB data cord, and that does not work with the computer for some reason because Sprint's disabled that for whatever reason, from what I've seen on the internet. I've only tested this with two LG Rumour 2s that were locked with Bell, so it should work with other phones, but I haven't tested it, so I can't say for sure it works. And this is really the only way you're going to be able to do this 100%, free from mobile internet usage, which means no links from text messages, there's no picture messaging, you don't need to go into anything that involves the internet. You just need a computer, this WinRAR file here, and your phone. Okay, so first we're going to start it off here. I have it open already. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the programs. You're going to use this CDMA one. This is a download and run right away kind of program. You don't need to do a setup at all for it, so yeah, you can just go ahead and run that right away just by clicking the CDMA workshop. This is the demo though. We don't really need the full version because we're not using anything that requires full version. The QPST, that is a setup, so if you want to just run the setup on that first, but anyway, I'm going to start showing you here instead of babbling on. Just go ahead and create a new folder. Okay, we're going to just go ahead and go drag and drop. And I'm actually going to pause the video and run the setup for this program. So yeah, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm actually just going to do it just in case you guys get lost actually in the installation. Not like you will, but we never know. So I'm just going to go ahead and just start running the setup. Now it's just gonna do the setup that it requires to do. And while it's running, I'm just gonna add that you guys are gonna be doing this at your own risk. Don't blame me. Don't message me. Don't yell at me. You destroyed my phone. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. If you guys want to, whether you want to do it or not, it's up to you. You're responsible for your own actions. That 98%. Why did it stop 98% here? There it goes. Okay, now it's all finished. I'll just quickly go grab a okay, so what you're gonna want to do is it does not make a desktop shortcut at all for you, so you kind of have to go find it. Let's see here it is right here. It'll be in the QPST. Now what you're gonna want to grab is the QPST configuration. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just make a little shortcut. I don't know what to watch here. Drag that out. Just so that you don't accidentally click something else and such. Okay, well now that you got that installed, the next thing you're going to do is you want to grab actually you may not even, sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. You're going to want to just go to the control panel. You're going to want to find what port your cell phone is being read through. I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically you're just going to want to go in and open up device manager. Okay, I'm actually I've just completely lost my train of thought. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll resume it once I find it. Alright, I'm back. I found it. It's in system. Go hardware and device manager. It's right here. Go ahead and click it. Wait for it to load up, and then you want to go under ports. Luckily for me, it's not going to be a pain. Sometimes it is, and you're gonna have to install a driver, which, lucky for you, a friend of mine has searched hard for, which is right here. The simple exe file, you just click it, run it, and then you should be golden. But for me it's working. See how it says COM9? You're gonna wanna have COM9. Memorize that. Okay, minimize this, quit that. And we're gonna go here, open up the CDMA. And this could take a bit. It does on my one computer. It takes a while to boot up. So I'll just pause it so you guys aren't waiting for me. Oh, there we go. Alright, here it is. We have the CDMA workshop. Make sure, of course, your phone's already plugged in, obviously. You're gonna want to find that port that I was talking about. Mine's in COM6. Yeah, no, COM9. Go ahead and you go COM9. Keep it on USB. Go connect. And it says that it connected a COM9 port successfully. That means everything so far is going smoothly. Otherwise, it would just come with an error saying that there's nothing there and it cannot connect. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to security. Come over here to the SPC user log. Go LG method, read it. Now I already kind of know this off by heart because I've done it so many times, but your code will be a bit different. So just go ahead and click it, copy it, and then that's all you're going to need this program for. That's it. And then you're just going to go disconnect so that you make this port available, because you cannot have this connected while using the other program at the same time. It just does not work. So we're going to go ahead and close this program, and we're going to grab that QPST that we got the shortcut for. Go ahead and open that up. Okay, so go to ports here. Now, unless if yours is port, or if yours is COM1 or 2, which is already in here, just ignore this step. But if yours is not COM1 or 2, just go ahead and go add new port. And oh, I didn't even that's never popped up for me, but ironically that's the COM we need. This is empty, don't worry about it. Just use the COM that you got from device manager and enter it in twice in here exactly the way it is. I'm gonna go ahead and click OK, and then you're gonna see COM9 pop up, and you're gonna tell it's working because you can see my phone here. Alrighty, and then what you're going to do is, it's already enabled, you're going to do start client EFS Explorer. there's my phone number. And then you're going to enter in your SPC. Click OK. And ta-da! You are now in your phone's root, or your phone's all the files that's actually on your phone. So what you're going to want to do is going to go into brew AMS. Now I've reset my phone just in case for the people who don't have the folder, so I erased it for me. The folder will be called 14, and you want to come over here. I have the folder and all that good stuff here. Now, for the purposes of this tutorial, which will be included when you guys download it, I have a little dubstep kind of ringtone thing that I'm going to be using. So, brew AMS. I've copied it by the directory, so it makes it easier for you guys. And there's 14 right there for you guys. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Right click, new directory. And then we're going to go brew /AMS /14. Okay, now it's created a folder for us. Oh, and I'm sorry if I'm mentioning this kind of late, but you want to have your phone running. Do not have it off, or else it won't work. Okay, now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna drag and drop everything. Just gonna start writing the files. There we go. We're gonna exit here. That'd be a folder called DB. There it is here. And then you wanna, oops, nope, that's the wrong folder. Do not go to that folder. There is actually multiple DBs. Actually, yeah, that is a folder. I'm sorry. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do the third one. They don't have to be in order, so we'll go to set as. This is slideshow and wallpaper. There's a ringer index.map. Drag and drop that. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My brother just needed to look up something for the beer store. He's a teenager who can buy beer now, so yeah. Anyways, so you just drag and drop this AMS ringer index.map into the here, and then once you're done, you're gonna want to come over to DB. Open this part up. There's DB, and grab these files. Make sure you don't put in any of these folders, or else it won't work. But yeah, okay. And if you guys are ever wondering, for whatever reason, if you guys want to get your voice memos off of your phone, they'll be in here. Like I said, I reset my phone for the purposes of the tutorial, so there's nothing in here. But they'll be named MEM000 whatever, and they'll start a number. But yeah, you'll just right click it and go copy from phone and then extract it. Okay, guys, sorry about this. I'm just editing a video. I actually did end up filming myself and installing some files into this folder. Do not put it in this folder. This is the wrong folder. It'll actually be in this DB folder, which is in brew AMS. It'll be above shared, which is the last folder. There are two files right here. Those are the files you're gonna want to replace. So yeah, ignore this part. This folder should be in here within AMS. So yeah. Go ahead and just whoops. Content info. Just replace it. It'll ask you want to replace it. Yes. Yes. Okay, there you go. Now you've replaced it. And you replaced it. Yeah, I'm gonna resume the old part of the video. On your phone, physically yourself, and so I'll be ending this video, and I'll be using my camera, and I'll show you what to do. Okay? All right. Hey guys, how's it going? So here I got my cell phone in my hand. I have disconnected it from the computer after transferring all the data to it. Going to the phone here. Sorry about my screen. It's quite bright. I know my camera isn't the greatest. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to my downloads from the menu. I will be going to the second option, which is I can't remember off the top of my head. I believe it's sounds. It's ringers, and you notice my list is empty there, so I have no ringers according to my phone. This is normal. All you need to do is refresh the list, which will crash your phone, so do not be alarmed when it crashes. This is me moving it so I can look at the screen and record at the same time. So yeah, what I did here was I went into settings, sounds, and then I'm going to be going into sounds right there. Just waiting on me to click it. Take my sweet time. And then yeah, you're going to want to go to ringer type, and then just go ahead and select whatever you want, incoming calls, all for contacts, whatnot. And yeah, there goes my phone. You can see how it reset it crashed. So pretty much just let it do its thing. It'll boot up. There's my Bell logo. Entering service area. And now you're going to want to go back and push that menu button. Menu, go to my downloads. Go to the ringers, which was empty, and voila. There's that We're Not Gonna Take It, which, like I said before, is not that actual song. And see, they're showing you there's the ringer, it is working, it is playing. And all you need to do is go options. Yep, options, and then you just go set as. And what I did was I did contacts default, and I did unknown numbers because I reset my phone, right? So everybody in my phone book was gone. So yeah, that is how you set your put a ringtone in your phone.